I'm making sausage, egg, and cheese breakfast burritos this morning, so I've already got the sausage started. I'm gonna slice up some pepper, onion, and some little grape tomatoes to cook with the sausage. We're gonna scramble some eggs, and then we're gonna take these out to the Blackstone once we get them all rolled. I think I'm gonna do some quesadillas too.
Well, I've already started this deal out right. I found the only shade tree in this parking lot. We're fixing to go in there at the Hob, everybody.
We happen to be in a town this afternoon, y'all, that has a Hobby Lobby right here, Five Below over there, and a pop shelf right over there. Hobby Lobby first. Oh, I'm loving it.
I'm already smelling fall.
Mm-hmm.
Lord have mercy.
Fall stuff is 40% off. I gotta keep up with him. You can really get lost in Hobby Lobby. This would be so fun to fix up a movie room. Look at the cows with the popcorn. That is adorable. Showtime. There is an abundance. It's like an overwhelming amount of everything. So here's the first aisle of fall things, I believe. These trucks are cute. $49.99, but 40% off, so. Oh, that's a magnet. You can put that wherever you want to put it on the truck. The aisle of scarecrows. We already got some of y'all's family at the house. They're not doing their job very well. They look cute though. How much are y'all? Let's see. $19.99. So they're $11.99. We paid $9.99 for the ones we got at Big Lots, and they're, I don't know, these may be a little better quality than the Big Lots ones. I like that one. He's cute. Empty-handed?
I've seen some things. I had it and I put it down. It was a lot of that $29.99. I got looking at it and I was like, a lot of cow stuff. I've seen a lot of cow. This is a good store right here. I'm gonna tell y'all something. This is a really good store. We'll go back over and
there's
I'll see them.
these Highland cow. Yeah, they're so cute.
I really don't like them.
Well, they're cute. You give them haircuts sometimes at that one farm.
The ones I deal with, I mean, I'm not saying all of them are this way, but every time they call me out to have to trim their feet or something, you know, we have to catch them and they scared to death of my horses.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know if it's because they can't see them.
Right, probably. That's a nice big pumpkin patch sign there. Look at these little spoons, the little wooden spoons. That's adorable. Aprons, what is that? Oh, it's got a little box.
Can you get that in for?
Yeah, get that for Cece, she'll like that. Here's some tiny little mugs. I'm smelling cinnamon. Oh, right here.
Birds will definitely kill you. This little boy hair don't want to hurt nobody.
Oh no, he's just cruising. We could put this like at the trash. Do you think this would scare off the real raccoons?
I don't know.
Like if we tried to welcome them?
You know, come on in.
Raccoon psychology instead of child psychology.
Which one?
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Oh, look at these cows eating something. That is cute. There's room for everyone at our table. Oh, look at the cow with the little chicken. Oh my goodness. I gotta get out of this section.
I like that right there.
What is it?
I think you put a candle in it.
But look at this, isn't this cute? There's room for everyone at our table. It's adorable. It's wanting to come home with us. All three of them right now are begging to come to our house.
Trust me, I already got a herd. I don't need any extra ones.
Oh look, they have some little labels here. If you want to buy these jars to put stuff in, then you can get these labels. Those little things are cute. Uh-oh, somebody done broke something. You break it, you buy it.
We've been watching a lot of
Candid camera, yeah. Let's pretend like we're on candid camera.
Yeah.
Smile. You're on candid camera.
Here we go now. We got one laying on.
Flowers in the hair. Oh, look at this one on the couch. That's speaking Ben Cartwright to me. I don't know why. Right here, I thought of Martha Washington.
Babe, what do you think?
You can peep some Christmas stuff over there, but we ain't going there yet.
Over, babe.
Not yet. Jacob and Tyler would like this section. Didn't we get one of those one time?
I think we did.
We got one.
When they came in our house and scared them.
So, and his ear broke off.
Yeah.
Yeah,
well,
we
they
did.
broke his ear.
Right.
They came in and he said, hey. And that is a candle holder, is it?
No, that's a cup holder.
Put a candle in these things.
Grab a cup, mark it up. It's for like if you want to write your name on your cup
Put a
or
cup
somewhere.
in a cup. Boy, I tell you what. Give me some chopsticks, sir. I'm gonna eat these Fruit Loops.
Now, what are these little guys for?
What in the world?
Y'all tell us what y'all would put in there.
What would you do with that? Toothpicks.
Toothpicks. That's what we would do. What would y'all do? Plaid table throw. Oh, we have a table throw now. Instead of a tablecloth, it's a table throw. Just throw it on your
Throw
table.
it on your table.
I might kind of like a table throw. Yeah, what? These little bitty tiny mini coffee. I think that one's for a round table.
This one's for a round table. Right?
Yeah. We ain't the knights.
We can always use this. I love wood spoons.
Oh yeah, he loves wood
I
everything.
like everything to be country. I love wood things.
He'd love me more if I was made of wood.
Now that's nonsense, baby. Don't you dare speak of that. What would we do with this?
That's napkin ring.
Oh,
I do know what that one is.
I want to put a little bitty candle in there. I could go back and get that. This is a little, you put a little battery in this probably.
Yeah, their battery, yeah.
Stick this in that little round deal.
Mm-hmm.
Or either we could get one of these big old bad boys.
These are cute. The orange and white stripes. Okay, Five Below. Pop shelf.
make sure you take your calculator and Hobby Lobby. Make sure you're doing that math.
Right. And make sure stuff is in the right spot with the 50% off and 40% off signs.
But if not, it surprise you.
Yeah.
Them little candle holders surprise you.
Oh, yeah.
You get up there and be like, "They just burnt me, buddy." It really is a good store, y'all. Just make sure you're in that right section.
Mm-hmm. All right, y'all, we are back home. We're about to make the street corn nachos to go with our pizza. Great news, Little Caesars now delivers to our area.
Everybody, I know a lot of people was like, "Titus, I can't see what you was seeing," but now you can.
We got this from the Pop. Did we get that from Pop Shelf? Yeah, we got the candle from Pop Shelf. It's got a wood wick.
How you like that? Now that's what I saw when I walked by this joker, and it was like, "Put a candle in there, Titus," and I was like, "What? People's gonna think I'm crazy." Put a candle in it. That's what I'm talking about.
All right, the butter is melted, so we're gonna put in 4 cups of frozen corn. So we're gonna let this cook for about 8 minutes, and I'm gonna go ahead and get the other stuff that we're gonna need. It's gonna be mayonnaise. Oh, we need to mix 1 tablespoon of cornstarch with 1 cup of heavy cream. We'll go ahead and do that. Sissy's mixing that. We need mayonnaise, and that's it for the corn part. Then we just need the toppings. What, he saw a bear? Tyler just saw a big bear across the road. I've been trying to catch him on the trail cam. You saw a bear?
Yeah.
Where was it?
It was right there.
It was right there?
Yeah, in front of the tree.
Tyler's gonna show it to us when he gets here. He took a picture of it with his phone, or a video of it with his phone. I bet you he's the one that's been getting into the trash and into the garden with his deer friends. We have some of this queso dip and feta crumbles for the topping. You know what's for dessert, Manny?
Yeah.
What?
It's root beer floats.
Root beer floats. Okay, we put in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I'm gonna go ahead and stir that in. Then we're gonna put it back over here on the burner and add in our cream and cornstarch. And I'm gonna turn it down to simmer. We're gonna stir this in and just let this cook until it starts to thicken. We're just gonna make these nachos on a really big plate like they would serve them to you, you know, if you got nachos as an appetizer somewhere. So there's the bottom layer. Now I'm gonna take some chips and try to make it look kind of good around the edges here. Okay, now we're gonna put the corn on top. Now I'm gonna take the sour cream and put it in a little baggie so that we can squeeze it on. Now we're just gonna shake on a little bit of chili powder. Let's see, we'll go with the queso first. We're just using regular chili powder instead of cayenne, that way it's not too spicy.
Well, the kids are gonna be eating this. If you really want it spicy, then
you do cayenne, yeah. We're drizzling on some queso. And we're gonna put this other cheese in a bag like we did the sour cream. Now the feta crumbles. And the last thing is gonna be the cilantro, and that is street corn nachos.
And it's really good.
There he is.
The bear. Okay, I think he's coming to our house.
You think so? He's probably coming to get some snacks out of the garden again. All right, kitchen's clean. Movie night is about to go down. Jonah and Sissy are gonna camp out in here and try out the air beds that we got from Aldi last week. Was that last week? Whenever it was, they were marked down from $30 to $7.50, around $8 with tax and all. So they're gonna give them a try tonight. Tyler, I bet when you get those braces off, the first thing you're gonna wanna eat is popcorn. Do you miss popcorn? We've just got about 5 more weeks. We're what, 4.5 now? I got these little popcorn buckets from Hobby Lobby. They were 99 cents.
Is this mine?
Yeah, that's mine. Popcorn, get your popcorn. $1 a bucket.